Himachal, the devbhoomi truly said, and one other word close to the term, heaven. I must say, as it has everything which make this place fulfilling the above said title. Natural beauty is it one part. Besides that, it holds well diversity of flora and fauna. One shot of it I am going to show you today. So hello friends, here's Smalty welcoming you to my channel Universal Jazz one more time, bringing you some glimpses of the rare egret, a bird which is another marvel of nature and of course an immigrant to the place I belong. Maharana Pratap Sagar, or the Pong Dam Lake, renowned worldwide, a huge water reservoir which serves as a house to these immigrants, birds, fishes, animals, and thus nurtures our ecosystem collectively. It has proved out to be the adequate bird sanctuary, as statistics showed us the increasing number of waterfalls come up to 1,42,000 till 2015, which was around 19,000 during 2000. As Pong Dam is in Kangra, which is within proximity to my hometown as well, and hence nature has given us the chance to welcome these immigrants and share our time with this beautiful creation of God. I have collected some of the clips of this beautiful egret, but first let me make it clear what actually this bird is. So, egrets have white or buff plumage, develop fine plums, usually milky white, during the breeding season. Egrets are not a biological distinct group from the herons and have the same build. All feathers on great egrets are white. Their bills are yellowish orange and the legs black. Great egrets are found near water, salt or fresh, and feed in wetlands, streams, ponds, tidal flats and other areas. I am literally a fond of God creations and I have really admired this one too. So it is another blessing of nature that it has chosen our devbhoomi for this delight. Feeling blessed, and with this I am binding this up. See you again with another video. Stay safe and keep on watching and sharing Universal Jazz.